are we going?
We're going to Old San Juan. Come with me. Oh my gosh. My gosh.
That is awesome.
We're all videotaping
Gotta be getting closer. All right, kids. Woo! These. I can touch the parking garage beams with my head. Ooh. This parking garage, it's busted. I think it's pretty shocking that they have a high voltage box right next to the woman's bathroom, don't you think? Where's the fort? I'm just kidding, it's right there. I'm not as dumb as I look. Hey. Bookin. Do you know why taxi cab drivers make the best barbers? Because they know all the shortcuts. Ooh, I think this is a tourist place?
Not at all.
No. Guess we just follow the traffic, right? Three scholars right there.
Is this a line queue for this thing?
Yeah. There were very many tall people when they built this thing.
Was this like a cell?
Oh, this is where they waited for execution.
Oh.
Ew.
That explains the scratch.
Oh, this is kind of. All right, Stinkins, minus Mom. Mom twisted her ankle. We miss you, Ma.
Miss you.
All right, so we went to that fort. And now we have to go walk all the way to that fort. And it's warm. And somebody said they didn't want to bring their water. No cash.
You just use our receipt.
No, I got a receipt.
I know.
Because this is good for both forts. Wow. Okay, is there headroom in there? Oh! Oh, that's a cool picture right here.
That is a cool picture.
Let me take a picture of you guys.
Wow.
Triangular stairs.
Oh, triangle.
Triangular stairs. Okay. It's,
Put on the triangle. Oh.
whoa.
Well, that makes sense. How far does it go down? Oh, it goes down.
It's,
This is so scary.
there's more to this sport.
Huh? I guess so.
All right. What goes down must go up, I guess, right? Is that how this thing goes? No. This is a great place if you like stairs. Woo. Stairs.
Stairmaster.
They're included with the price of admission.
It's basically a
It's a workout.
tourist.
This is the last of the stairs. I think Brooklyn is tiring. Biffy, Elizabeth, you going strong back there? We're gonna get pizza in Puerto Rico. The Puerto Rican pizza.
Yeah.
That looks legit. Nice.
443-684.
That was good pizza. Oh, little DJ cat. Oh, you're a cute cat, okay? Blend in there, Kenny. Hi. Aww.
Found one that looks like our cat.
Oh.
It's a really skinny version of our cat. Really skinny.
Kenny, and it's
Nice one. Nice. Nice.
nice. There's a lot of cats around here. Oh, these are the cats.
Skinny.
What are cats here? I don't think there's enough air purifiers in the world to get these
Oh,
cats
here comes
out.
another one.
No.
This one looks like Pippi. Pippi, Maggie's cat. Oh, big stretch bed.
Hi, Kenny. Hi, cat. What's cat in Spanish? They don't.
Gato.
Gato.
Hi, Gato. Dad, look at that
That does look like a cat. No,
No, that one.
they want to be on YouTube. They're so skinny. No. Watch out for the snakes. No. You wanna hold on to a snake?
No. Huh?
You wanna hold on to a snake?
a different guy.
Haley! Here goes the MSD. People are getting ready for dinner, right? There's a lot of cats. Someone doesn't always tell. She gets fed at the second stop.